How to deposit checks with the Region mobile app. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily do this. So without any further delay, let's just jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Regions Bank online and make sure to log into your account. You could also use the mobile application. Once logged in to make your deposits, you'll be asked to enable your access to your location first while using the app and access to your camera in order to capture the check images. Now you can learn more about deposits, offers, tips, and information on the mobile deposit process. To start the deposit, tap on Make a Deposit button. Now once you've allowed access to your location services as well as your camera access, you can just tap on Continue and then go to Deposits. Once you tap on Make a Deposit, you can select your amount. Select your account that you want to deposit on, and once you've selected it, just enter the amount and choose the funds availability option. Select available processing for tonight. Here you will get no fee and you won't be required anything. Then you could just go ahead and tap on continue. And for the available immediately funds available, you can get a fee of 1 to 4% off your check amount. Then you could just tap on continue if you wish. Click a picture of the front of the check and back of the check. Once it is done, you should be able to tap on continue button and then go back to deposits if you want to check if your amount has been deposited to your account or not. You'll find your mobile deposit activity here and you'll find that your recent transaction will be updated. That's basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video down below, share and subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.